Do you want to know how you can log into your IDFC Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your IDFC Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for IDFC Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see that IDFC Mutual Fund has turned into Bandhan Mutual Fund. So go ahead and click on this link. It will lead you to the official page of Bandhan Mutual Fund. Now you can use your IDFC username and password to log in to your Bandhan Mutual Fund as well. So go ahead and write down your PAN number, username over here on the first box, and then write down the password in the second one. After you write down the password, go ahead and click submit. This way, you can log into your IDFC Mutual Fund account, which has now been turned into Bandhan Mutual Fund. If you have forgotten your username or your password, these are the links for you to recover your username and password. If you don't have an account yet and want to create one, this is the link for you to create a Bandhan Mutual Fund account for you today. I hope this video about how you can log into your IDFC Mutual Fund account was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.